Welcome back to another episode of our tech guide series right here on Web Marshals. So today let's check on ways to monitor the battery status of any laptop.
On the search bar, type in CMD, run as administrator. Type in the command, power CFG battery report.
Copy the navigation and paste it to this page. You'll then be directed to another page through your current browser. As you can see, this is the battery report for this specific device. If you found this video helpful, kindly share with friends. You can as well comment, like and subscribe to this channel for more.